Hello everyone, my name is Virgilio Sumanya and today I'm going to tell a story about Juan and the guava tree. This story features a kid named Juan and a simple guava tree. It all started when Juan was just casually walking around, no plans ahead, just casually walking around. Then suddenly he came across a guava tree that only had one fruit left. He thinks the best ways possible to get that guava fruit. And Juan was also feeling a bit hungry that time. So a guava fruit was a perfect partner or a perfect solve for his hunger. But he didn't choose the hardest decisions like climbing the tree or making a ladder to get that guava fruit. He just simply choose the easiest part or the easiest way, which is to wait for that guava fruit to fall down out of the tree. And while he waits, he he noticed that it took so long. It is taking so long to the guava fruit to fall out of the tree. And so while waiting, he was tired of waiting. He just he just sleep waiting. While waiting asleep, and a bird suddenly took that guava fruit and ate it. After one wakes up, he was shocked that the guava fruit was no longer at the tree or it was gone. So he panicked, and because of that, even though he panicked, he cannot do anything much further, or he just accepted it. So the only thing he feels now is that he regret that he didn't took that fruit earlier. The moral lesson of the story is that when a tree gives us a fruit, we should not hesitate to grab it whenever we feel hungry. It is the same principle in life. Whenever life gives us an opportunity, we should not hesitate to grab it, especially if we think it will be for the better for ourselves. So grab that opportunity, and that's all. Thank you for listening.